Hey there, this is a quick video because I wanted to show you how I did this cute sock for Twyla here. She's the Skultimate secret one. Oh, she's so cute. She got her purse. Her shoes are super cute. They got books in the heel. The design is really nice. Yeah. And by the way, how you guys are doing? I hope you're doing fine. Like I said, I'm gonna try to make this a really quick short video, just showing you Twyla and how I made this sock, and also how I made this cute hat for my mini me. As you see, it looks super cute. Yeah. And it's so cute. If you guess what this is from, this sock right here, and the hat is the top part, but I'm going to show you how to do this. I did it with the remainder of the sock. I just did one. So she comes with this here, and which is okay, but the thing is, you'll see, just give me a sec. By the way, the purse open, I have the sock inside here. Anyway, she's super pretty. I love her makeup. And I just want to show you real quick. She came with two pigtails. I haven't washed her hair, but I just did two little pigtails in the front. And look at that face. It looks amazing. I love this. Sure, this is the outfit I decided to do with the dress. I think it look a little bit 60. Yeah, I just made this sock and put this in front. I really don't like her without sock, and when I use this, you're gonna see how it looks. Okay, so I'm putting this on, and it's not an actual sock, but I wish it was. And when it came kind of like this, which is crazy. Let me put it here with the shoes. And maybe you have seen this because I'm kind of late to the game, but I was able to get her on sale, which is cool. So, and then when I put it like this, it still kind of doesn't look too great, and you can see the comparison. Yeah, I wish it was a whole sock and it was a little bit higher, but I was thinking, what can I do? I like when the socks are slouchy like that. This one, if I wanted, oh, I don't want to put it all the way up, but I can put it all the way up. I'm going to show you later on when I first put it. Just give me a sec. I'm going to show you how I cut it. So if you want to make it with a small sock, this is a kid's socks. I kind of forgot this size, but it's just a shawl sock that I got from Dollar Tree for $1.25. Probably now $1.50 because those prices are keep going up. Okay, so let's I just want to show you what parts that I cut for her. Not for her, for her hat. So, and I just, as you can see, I just roll it, right? So this here is a part of, I don't know if you see, this is the top part. Let's see, here it is. Here's the top part, right? And then you just roll it like that, and you don't even see that line anymore. I put it like this, kind of, I always fold it, kind of put it like this, and it's figured really good. See? And here, let me show you how much of this is that here. Like to the first, no, to the knuckle here, maybe. Okay, so it's around 2 inches on the longest part, and that would be around, let's see, around 5 centimeters on the longest part. So you can just, the longest part, 5 centimeters, and then you cut it right there. Then to cut the socks, here's the sock that I cut. This is the shade that it had. I'll make sure that her leg covered completely, and it have a little bit extra so I can sew into it. And of course, this is a stretchy material. So what I did is, since I have, let's say I want to use one sock, so this part have to cover the whole leg, right? So I put her in here and kind of measure. If this covered the whole thing before the fold, Yeah, there's plenty, so I don't have to use it all, so I just have to use just a little bit. So perfect. So now, and how long I want it, I kind of make sure I want it like around this length, and I want it to be around to cover the leg right here, right? And that's how I measure it. And as you see here, that's a little bit more about, but I put a little bit longer, and that gives me that measurement. So then I know this is going to be for the hat, which I wasn't planning to do, and this top here would be for the sock. And the sock here, let's measure it. It be, without stretching too much, 4.5 or 11.5 centimeters, around that. So now that we have this cut and this cut, right, and it only leaves us with this part, like you can tell here that this is the only part that we got left of that, because this part is the hat, and this part is how I cut the socks. As you can see, this is the back part. Let's do the other part here, here, there, and this is this part here, like that. You see the cut, and then this remaining part is the hat. Here is the seam. You can barely see it. Okay, so I took her shoe off, and now I'm gonna start by putting it backwards, right, like the reverse side, and I just gonna do a couple of stitches in here in the cuff, and make sure I got a little knot on the thread, needle thread, and then I just gonna put it in here like around this much, right? And I'm gonna do this. After I go one way and then I go another way back to secure the stitches better. This one may be two, but before we pull it all the way through, we're gonna separate our strands, so we made the knot even better. And secure it here. I separate the strands, right there. I'm gonna put the needle in the center and pull it kind of to secure it better. Oh. And now it's done. Okay, now I'm gonna go back probably in that stitch again, and then do another stitch, and now we can put it on the doll, so we can keep sewing it, putting this to the back like that, and this will cover her hole, like, and then when we get here we're just gonna be sewing like this, okay, like that. So now I'm gonna keep going like this, pulling and sewing in the back like this. Keep going like this and this, and until we finish all around, kind of pinching it, okay, like that. And when we get here, let me show you how it looks, like that. Okay, you can see how it looks in here. That's where we sew it, or we kept doing it all the way there. When I get like that, then I go one more time back, okay, to secure the stitch even better, so when you stretch it you cannot see holes in it. Okay, so far I have this here, and I keep holding, lining up these together and pulling. Oh, my doll is there. And then I keep going like this, See, it's even there. Oh no, shoot. Oh no, because I'm looking at the camera, I make a mess. Yeah, I should go over. I go back and forth, back and forth. Just give me a sec. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take this opportunity to show you, like if that happens, I can just pull the, see the needle out, and then I'm gonna pull this thread here, there, see, and then problem solved. Now we're gonna keep pinching. Now it's in the back again. This time we'll make sure. It is hard to show though. The same thing, just pinching, go in the back close to the feet, right here, and then here, like that. They keep pinching. This her leg, see here, keep pinching there, and just go like that, back and forth. See how her feet is taking shape. And see, you can see that I cannot shave her leg, and now we cannot gonna cut it, making sure we don't cut this thread because we have to go back, like on here. Okay, so we just cut it. Then later on when I get it out, I'll cut it a little bit better, but then we just cut these two like that. Maybe a little bit here at the top, making sure we don't cut the stitches there. And now we just go back. I just remember, and that is even easier if you take the sock out at this point and then just go over when with the sock off, okay, and then just go over all the stitches. Okay, so finish here, go to here, and just go back for a little bit. And now after I go back couple of stitches just to reinforce it, then I'll make a knot. And to make a knot, I just kind of go like this, make a knot in here, go over the loop, and then do the same thing again, go through a stitch, go like this, make a knot, and maybe another one just to keep it secure. I'm just going some through stitches there, and for safety measure, go through the loop and go like this. You cut it, and now the parts that were a little bit out, like just cut it better there so it doesn't create too much bulk. You see it like this. Now we put it out, make sure you have the little pointy ends together, and we just turn it the other way like this, and that how, oh I'm sorry, how you turn it, just grab it, get it out, and there you got your sock. It looks so cute. Okay, now we put it on Twyla, and I need to get it out. I just wanted to show you how it looks without this in here. And let's put it to the back of the feet, and see, this is how it looks, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks all the way up, and that is her right there. But now we're just gonna put the other one, this here again. We put it back, tissues to the back. Now we'll put the sock again there, go over a little bit, like around there, and there we kind of wrinkle it a little bit. It's like once you put this, it won't slide too much up, And now we'll put our shoes. This is this one, and then we'll put the other one. You can also do it with thinner sock, but this one is not that bad. You just a little bit there. This is how it looks, and we'll put the other one. Okay, and this is how it looks. Really cool. There, she looks absolutely cool. Let me stand her over there so you can see. Well, you may have seen an unboxing of this, but I just want to show you real quick some of the pieces. Super cute. Look at that. It has some design and web, and in there, I don't know, you can see there's like a little rabbit. Isn't that cute? Adorable. I love how the steam looks. And here you have you have like a little hanger post to do it, to put it there so you can use it as a closet. Here's the top, and this is a skirt, which is really cute. I like the feeling because it's kind of velvety, and this kind of the shiny fabric with a really nice trim. Super cute. Velcro both in the back, you can see. And the shoes, oh wait, this is a corset. I can put it on her so you can see it. I'll show you in a sec. This is the poots. Oh my god, they're so cute. You have a little bed bug in there, and it has some lace painted and kind of web design. They look super cute. I love that this dark color matched perfectly with the skirt. And what else is in here? Oh, and now let me show you the corset, how it look with this here. And it had two sizes. It have a smaller one and a bigger one. Just give me a sec. Okay, now I kind of put her on the corset, and she look cute, but I don't know. Let me try to stand her over here by here so you can see there. And I don't know how I feel about the corset. So it kind of make it like a bulky area here, and she looks a little bit shaped. If the skirt was more flowy, like bigger on the bottom, maybe the corset will fit better to keep it like more I don't know. I think it will look better with that, but for now I kind of don't like it that much. Let's open the other side, and it comes with the key. And oh my god, this is so cute. I love this gingerbread house, which is kind of like a ghost Halloween theme, and it comes with the tray which disconnect. We have these little pegs in here, so cute. And we have a little bunny in here in the back that is removable, as you can see. Yeah, this remove, I think it goes there, but I don't know. But it's really cute. I love it. Too adorable. And they can just have it there with the coffee over here. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you enjoy the making of the socks. They are super easy. And I'm planning to make more stuff and more fashion clothes. And don't forget the diorama is coming hopefully soon. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Like it, remember to press the like button, subscribe for more videos like this one. And yeah, let me know what you think, how you make any cool stuff with sock. I want to try those sweaters that Froggy Stuff did. They were so cute, so I got more socks and tried to do one strawberry theme. So let's see how that goes. I will show you in a video. I'll make sure to record it for you guys. Anyway, so that's it. Take care, and it'll be till the next one. Ciao.